Alright, 27 feet, 30 feet, 40 feet, 50 feet. We're in the street. So we need to go all the way to the tap and replace the line. It's full of water. Can't function like this.
Can't function like that.
Nope. So I'm gonna bring it back.
Especially on a heavy night, like you have a party or something, they gonna bath on you, teaching you, more stuff, you gonna bag up.
Yeah. So I'm gonna bring it back. Still underwater. The line can't work like that. It had to be dry and clean like this. It's out there like this.